So, one of the forms of love that we didn't get a chance to talk about this morning is the classic yoga of karma yoga. You know, the great yogas through the heart, through non-duality, through mind. The third great one, which characterizes Christianity and characterizes, in fact, all spiritually motivated people, is karma yoga, the yoga of service. And Krishna speaks of that. It brings up something extremely important, that what spiritual work is really about is a recontextualization of your whole life and everything in it. So devotion, the pathway of love, is sanctifying all of your life in all of its details and all of its expressions as an expression of love to God and to all that exists. So, as you take that little ring off the top of your stove that goes around the burner there, and you take the steel wool and you really polish it so it shines, you do so because everything that exists because innately it's divine. Once you see the divinity of all things, watering the garden, shining your shoes, all are equal. All are done as... So, as a devoted being, all your actions become those of devotion, of service to others, service to God. Service to others is service to God. Without the dozen or so people it took to set up this conference, who all did it out of devotion until all hours of the night. Aren't you ever going to go to bed? It couldn't happen. So their devotion and behind their work, the endless phone calls, the endless faxes, the endless letters, answering all that's required to just put it together is rather a staggering amount of work. So, their devotion. So the commitment then to God is a devotional statement that I am what I am and all that I do is for thy sake, O Lord.